Hey lovely people, today I'm in Anjuna and we have a special artist of the week. We have Raju Salkar and Aryan Salkar. Say hi guys to everybody.
Hi friends, how are you doing?
Aryan, you have just finished your exams, 10th standard. So what do you plan next?
I've taken commerce now
Yes.
and I'll do my 12th and I'll get into a course.
Okay. So Aryan was my student in Sacred Heart Anjuna, and his father Raju Salkar is into photography. So Aryan, are you going to follow your dada's footsteps?
Not actually photography, but I'm more interested in modeling, and in this lockdown many shoots are done.
So it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Yes. So Raju, coming up to you, how did you why photography? Why not any other stream no?
Okay, first of all, let me thank you, Paul sir, for inviting both of us on your YouTube channel, and you are doing a great job. Coming to your question, why photography? Because when I was a teen, I was always fascinated by the magazines, the Bollywood magazines. They used to come like Filmfare, Stardust, and a lot of them. Basically they were fashion magazines. I used to buy them, and I used to go through the pictures. I never used to read the articles or the content of it, but just the sheer pleasure of looking at the pictures. And I think this is one reason, this habit of mine has taken me into photography. So I was like, I wanted to pose like this particular actor, and this is how I got into photography. And in 2010, I got enrolled in CMYK Academy of Photography, and my mentor is Sir Prasad Pankar. So I've done fundamentals of photography in that year, and later on I've done 1 year diploma in fashion photography. And it's passion, and this is something which I love to do. So yes, that's why I'm into photography.
Raju, what advice would you give to a beginner? Maybe he wants to get into photography, because a lot of people are doing photography. So they invest on DSLR, and you can talk about that, and some tips you can give.
Okay. Coming to this question, also I would say it's a beautiful form of art, photography. Now the trend is such. Many people or many beginners or youngsters, especially, or teenagers, they want to get into photography. There might be a various reason behind this. Some do photography just because somebody else is doing, or this is one reason. For some, just because they have a DSLR, they just go out and click pictures. It's nice, but I would advise, if you really love this thing, if you like photography, and if it's your passion, then please see that you do a basic course. Just learn the fundamentals of photography that will help you in taking good pictures. Because I won't go much into detail about this technicalities. One important aspect of photography is the light. Light is the main thing, and once you understand this aspect, your half battle is won. So great, go ahead, all the youngsters, achieve this photography, but at the same time see that you learn it. Please do learn, because that will help you to become a better artist, and that same thing you can apply in your profession if you want to. My advice to all the beginners who think of investing in high-end DSLR cameras, I would say before investing into any equipment, see that you please learn the photography, please learn the basics. Only after doing that you will come to know what exactly you want to achieve in photography, like what kind of photo shoots you're going to conduct in future, or what are your photos. Accordingly you can invest. But before doing any fundamentals, do not ask anybody which camera to buy, which lens should I go for. Initially you can practice with your cell phones also, because just to see the compositions and the lighting techniques, if you are good enough by yourself. But I would suggest, highly recommendable, please do learn photography, because it's a must.
Coming back to you, how is online studies helping you?
Oh, it's helping a lot, but sometimes connectivity problems, and it's rainy season also now, so we get low connection, but it's good still.
So
to learn
So you like to go to college or you like to be online? His life is better. Can you talk about what type of shoots do you conduct or your projects what you're working on?
Oh yes, I do all sort of photography. That is from events to advertisement. Like events, I would say I do weddings, then birthday parties, all that thing. Plus I do advertising also, and then but fashion is my forte. That is what I love doing. So most of the time I am passionate only about fashion photography. I would say fashion portraiture. So that is my liking.
Everybody is going into photography. How is the, I would say, scope in this section, in this segment, like, no?
Yeah, it's a very important question also what you have asked me. Talking about the scope, everything and anything what you do with the passion, dedication, it has a scope. Let's say now you are a very good artist. Your art is really good. Your work is very good. But now, to promote your work, or if you want to make a profession out of this, out of this art, you have to be a very good businessman. You need to have the good marketing skills, how to promote your brand, and that I think you should be good enough at it. And as long as you do a good promotion, good marketing about yourself, there is a scope. But if you don't do anything about, like if you just let's for instance you do a photography course and you know your work is really good, and at the same time if you want to earn from it, if you want to make it a full-time profession, then you need to reach out to the people. You have to see all the different kind of platforms, that is social media or mouth to mouth. Basically you need to advertise your product, and yes, this is how you need to go about in terms of scope. So marketing is the main thing. So it has a scope. Everything has a scope. As long as you are very passionate about it, you should love what you are doing, and yes, marketing skills are very essential.
Have you tried composing anything of your own?
Yes, I have tried composing. Yes, and during this lockdown, of course, I got into it, and I just posted a few videos on Instagram. I am missing you, my teacher.
Don't worry, my lessons are there.
Yes, I've passed out from school and I'm following lessons from your YouTube channel. Yes, that keeps me up.
Yeah. So guys, thanks Aryan and Raju Salkar for your time, and guys please do follow them on Instagram, Facebook, on YouTube. Aryan is on YouTube and Dada is on Insta, I think so. But I'll put the links down up over here. Please do follow them. Guys, say bye-bye to everybody.
Yeah, bye-bye everybody, and thank you so much Paul sir for having us once again.
Yeah.
And all the best to everybody. Keep safe, be positive, and yes, peace and love.